Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 automatic window cleaners in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading automatic window cleaner that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The HUT W8 Window Cleaner Robot. With innovative features, it's designed to make cleaning effortless and efficient. Let's explore. HUT Think AI optimizes suction from 1,800 pascals to 3,800 pascals, adapting to dirt levels. It securely adheres to windows, ensuring powerful cleaning without causing scratches on glass surfaces. Equipped with dual nozzles and an 80 ml tank, it sprays water evenly, delivering a flawless wet wiping experience. Tough stains dissolve quickly, leaving windows sparkling clean. AI-driven navigation selects S-shaped, N-shaped, or spot wiping modes, ensuring comprehensive cleaning. It tackles stubborn spots efficiently with smart route planning. Advanced sensors avoid obstacles and ensure precise edge cleaning. The robot adapts seamlessly to various surfaces, including marble walls and square windows. One-touch operation with voice prompts makes cleaning hassle-free. Washable clothes ensure easy maintenance, prolonging usability and convenience. In conclusion, transform your window cleaning with HUT W8, smart, safe, and streak-free. Number 4. The Tosima W2 Window Cleaner Robot. With cutting-edge features and intelligent design, it's a must-have for effortless window cleaning. Tosima W2 uses AI 3.0 to plan the best cleaning path. Advanced sensors ensure thorough, streak-free cleaning, no dirt or fingerprints left behind. With 3,800 pascals suction power and microfiber pads, this robot removes stubborn dirt and smudges. Its powerful motor guarantees spotless results on various glass surfaces. Choose between quick spot cleaning, full window cleaning, or high-rise tasks. It adapts to your needs, tackling small windows and tough-to-reach spots effortlessly. Tosima W2 sensors avoid obstacles while ensuring precision edge cleaning. Every corner of your window gets the attention it deserves. Anti-fall sensors and secure attachment prevent mishaps. Plus, washable cleaning pads make maintenance simple and convenient. In conclusion, simplify your cleaning routine with Tosima W2, your intelligent window cleaning ally. Number 3. The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni, the ultimate window cleaning robot. With advanced features and thoughtful design, it promises safe, efficient, and effortless cleaning. Let's dive in. The Winbot W2 Omni offers battery and plugged-in modes. Battery mode ensures portability for 110 minutes, while plugged-in mode is perfect for large windows, maintaining uninterrupted power. Its multifunction station is a game-changer. Acting as a charger, stabilizer, and control panel, it simplifies operation while doubling as a portable storage solution. Equipped with 3 nozzles, it delivers high-pressure sprays for effective cleaning. Dirt dissolves effortlessly, leaving windows spotless in one stroke, without streaks or excessive water use. WinSlam 4.0 optimizes cleaning routes, enhancing edge detection for precision. Ideal for all window types, frameless, floor-to-ceiling, or small. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust 12-stage safety measures, protecting the device from falls and offering reliable performance backed by ECOVACS insurance. In conclusion, transform your window cleaning routine with the Winbot W2 Omni. Number 2. The Hobot 388, a smart window cleaning robot designed for effortless sparkle. The ultrasonic water spray ensures effective cleaning with a fine mist, easily removing stains. It's eco-friendly, minimizing water usage and leaving surfaces streak-free and spotless. Hobit 388's brushless motor operates with reduced noise and extended durability. Its vacuum engine securely adheres to glass without magnets, simplifying usage and ensuring powerful performance. The built-in UPS ensures safety during power outages, preventing falls. This thoughtful feature allows uninterrupted operation, adding an extra layer of reliability for peace of mind. Control at your fingertips. Use the smartphone app or remote to navigate. It features 3 automatic cleaning modes for hassle-free operations tailored to your cleaning needs. Perfect for most glass sizes and thicknesses, the Hobit 388 avoids rounded edges but handles flat glass with precision, keeping every corner spotless. In conclusion, Hobit 388 revolutionizes window cleaning with convenience and innovation. Number 1. The ECOVACS Winbot Mini Window Cleaning Robot. With advanced features and smart design, this compact powerhouse takes window cleaning to a whole new level. Thanks to its unique slim build, the Winbot Mini cleans tricky spots, including small, frameless, and tilting windows. Perfect for windows under 30 centimeters and with handles, it's a real game changer. The robot's ultrasonic spray system delivers a fine mist, tackling stains efficiently with minimal water. Eco-friendly and streak-free, it's gentle even on delicate glass surfaces. Feel safe with its 9-stage protection system, including hardware and software safeguards, anti-fall measures, and accidental damage insurance for a worry-free experience. Winbot Mini's WinSlam 3.0 plans optimal cleaning routes, avoids obstacles, and adjusts to window size, ensuring sparkling, spotless results every time. Advanced sensors eliminate hidden grime in edges and corners. Say goodbye to spots and hello to pristine windows. In conclusion, transform your window cleaning routine with the Winbot Mini, cleaning made smart, safe, and hassle-free. Ready to experience effortless sparkle? Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.